What should I do today?
Zip, zip.
Who are you?
Name's KP.
What are you?
I'm a mouse.
Right.
I have come to show you something. Zip, zip.
Oh! Ah!
Calm down, I use magic on you so you can breathe in space.
Oh wait, so you know magic?
Yeah, besides being a mouse, I'm a wizard.
Oh.
Oh yeah, you have a great opportunity. The content creator Emilio Exploring has made a map of his adventures. Let me show you! Here we are at the Westport Jetty. Emilio has several videos in this location, and you can find them all on the map.
Impressive.
But wait, there's more!
Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Wow, is that Point Defiance?
Sure is. Do you like animals?
Uh-huh. Seems like Emilio shot a lot of videos and put a lot of time into this channel.
Yeah, I guess so. Want to see something else cool?
Okay.
Welcome to the moon! I'll be right back.
KP? KP?